In this segment, we'll talk about the maintenance of door handles and latches. It's a simple task that makes a big difference. Inspect all door handles and latch points for any dirt, debris, or other signs of wear. Apply lubrication directly into the lock cylinder and the rotation point of the door handle. Also apply some to the friction points at latching points. This helps prevent corrosion and improves the lifespan of the components. Be sure to include this task in your weekly maintenance routine. It takes a minute and goes a long way in ensuring proper door operation.